Did you know that even if you're using a mattress protector, you still need to be cleaning your mattress at least every 2 weeks? And then I got this mattress vacuum from the TikTok shop. This vacuum's a beast. UV sterilization and super fast heating to 140 degrees. Mites can't handle that heat. When it senses mites, the green light blinks non-stop. Then ultrasonic waves shake up all the dirt. After cleaning, you won't believe how much gunk was in this jar. You need to be cleaning your mattress. Don't use the vacuum that you use all over the floor. That's all gross. You know what I mean? They sold hundreds of them and they have really good reviews. Links below, go grab it.